A vegan rice full of flavor. Here I have 100 grams of beans. It can be any type of beans. Black beans also work really well. And let it soak for about 3 hours. After 3 hours of soaking, put it here in the pressure cooker. Let's cover it with water. Here, I'll leave it for 20 minutes, but it also depends on your cooker. Let the beans drain. Here, it can't be too soft. It has to be firm, right? Tender. In a frying pan, a little bit of olive oil, a small onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and a centimeter of ginger. Give it a quick saute, just a little browning. Put everything in the rice cooker. Half a red bell pepper, 1 chopped tomato, 50 grams of mushroom, 50 grams of mushroom. I'm using portobello, but it can be shiitake or any other type of mushroom. 50 grams of corn. This one is canned. A heaping teaspoon of hijiki, which is the dried seaweed. Our beans. 100 grams of rice. I'm using basmati, but it can be any other type, even Japanese rice. 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of paprika, sweet paprika, 1 vegetable bouillon cube. Here I chopped it up so it dissolves faster. Give it a quick stir. One tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, half a teaspoon of salt. Don't worry, we can adjust the salt later. And now water, just enough to almost cover the rice. And now just turn it on and wait. Now just stir and mix. If you're going to use Japanese rice, use a little less water. All done. Green onions to taste. And look how colorful it is, and I guarantee you it's delicious, a vegan rice full of flavor.